we were looking at sort of probably somewhere between 10 and 20% would be down. Somewhere between 10 and 20% would absolutely knock the ball out of the park. But most guys, roughly about half of them, would be up between flat and up 20% on a sort of on a rolling basis. Compared to the 1999 rule, there you go. That's in black and white.
Definitely. And what would you say is important as a mentor? Like, what did you learn through that process of teaching others? Like, were there certain, as we already talked about in terms of like on average, people's learning curve, but like, were there any other similarities you noticed in that 10 to 20% mark, for example? Yeah,
there was a lot of similarities. A lot of the same mistakes were being made, but I think the most important thing is trust and communication. The retail trader's got to trust what we're talking about, and you've got to be able to communicate it. You've got to know your audience. You've got 3 guys; they'll respond to different conversations.
Yeah.
It's how you communicate it, and ultimately you got to have the right ideas.
Definitely. And I'm sorry to hear about your wife's passing. I'm sure that was a very difficult period, no doubt, and especially leaving your career as well at the time.